One of the best things that we can do for our mind, bodies, is to take a break and remember that we are worth love. Read, research, meditate, and transform your relationships. What self care isn't? Self care isn't an act of selfishness. It's not going for shopping. Self care is not indulgence. The WHO recognizes it as a crucial aspect of health maintenance. Here, let me share ways in which you can really practice mindful self care emotionally, physically, and spiritually to aid your mind, body, and soul. Slow down once in a while. From thousands of years of human evolution, our best teachers have urged us to slow down. The best respites from work stress allow us to slow down, to pause for complete rest, and to honor ourselves and the precious things in our lives. This breaks your workday down into manageable chunks so you won't lose your focus and energy. Instead of going on hundreds or thousands of errands, try the daily walk, an easy route to the office, or a smaller grocery trip instead of bruised but fine day-long commute. When you take in the world and its beauty without slowing down, both outside and inside, you will be happier, healthier, more attentive to your body and your loved ones. Let us change our circadian rhythm. When we slow down our metabolism and immune response. We slow down our heartbeats, we are more mindful, and we get more done. Whatever your priorities are, slow down today by listening to gentle, rhythmic breathing, lengthening your day with deep, mindfully flowing breaths, and by allowing yourself to be still. How to practice slowing down? Breathe for 5 rounds and return to the day's task at the end of the session. After you complete these breathing exercises, try finding ways to slow down both in and out of the home. Whether it's usually a day timer to remind yourself to take a walk, finding a new activity outside a daily commute, or practicing meditation. Move your location. Try walking meditation. Inhale for 1 count, maintaining a slow and deep breath. Imagine that you are standing in the middle of a long narrow path and the path is filled with tall grass and dirt which you can easily take advantage of. Inhale through your nose for 2 counts, then exhale through your nose for 2 counts, counting backwards. Inhale through your nose for 2 counts, then exhale through your nose for 2 counts, counting backwards. Do this breathing slowly and intentionally for 1 minute. Now walk slowly in a place, holding the same position for 1 or 2 counts, then gently walk out of the path. Inhale and out to the path for 1 count, then repeat for 2 counts. Enjoy time with family and friends. There is nothing that brings people peace and joy like having some fun and celebratory that ties into your culture and your reason for living. Take time to indulge in traditions that make you and your heart happy. Before your holiday season begins, think about how you can uplift and honor yourself this holiday season. Check in every morning and know that you'll have even more weight loss success when you stop focusing on what you aren't and start thinking about what you are. 3 ways to remember that you are worth more than your insecurities. Pick your brain away from the TV and stroller. Dr. Brene Brown says that one of the best ways to write a better you is to write the you that you are aware of, as opposed to the you that society has shaped you to be. You don't need that much psychological distance to connect with and appreciate that you that exists outside of the confines of the limiting labels and beliefs that surrounds you every day. By taking time to write your name in the mirror every morning, you are making a conscious choice to value yourself in a deeper way. Focusing on the thoughts that show up in your mind anytime you see yourself and write them down. Write down words that light you up, such as your favorite puppies, your favorite adventure films, your favorite lunch spots, or the people you look up to the most. Find someone who speaks your brain geography and keeps you aware of all the good things that you can do. Making intentional, health-focused choices for your body not only gives you support but also helps you love yourself for who you are. When you grab someone who will always pay attention to what gets us happy and healthy in the present, we pull away the self-conscious and distracting thoughts that keep us from doing what we ultimately want to do the most. Love ourselves. Breathe deeply and be present. Accept yourself and be thankful for the food, intimacy, and loved ones that you have built during this time. It's okay to take a day from everything and anything. You are amazing and there are reasons we love you. Take a break and take a look around. Go for a walk, chat with a friend, journal, call your family and talk. Pioneer a new routine on your bike. Be active at home and play. Be active at home and at play. Find some mindfulness and get some sleep. Whatever you do some love and spend your time in the moment. Thank you guys for watching this video and do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Check out these other videos on our channel. As always, thank you for your positive energies at Brahma's Life Science.